Of
Started,
163 bones, according to you.
started July 10, then naka-receive na po kami. Up to now po, nagkakaroon pa rin po kami ng examination, DNA examination.
Yeah. But what did you say about the number of days?
7 to 8 days po yung
You're supposed to have a result already?
Yes, ma'am. May result po na...
How come it's August already?
Ma'am, actually, yung August po ay hindi pa po lahat kumpleto.
Yeah,
Meron
but
pa po tayong...
With regards to the 163 human bones, syempre examine nyo yan separately, di ba? You
Yes.
cannot examine them all together.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
it started on July 7,
July
some-
10.
is it July 7?
10 po, 10.
July 10?
Yes, ma'am.
Now is August already.
Yes po.
And you said 7 to 8 days. So, dapat kahit papano may resulta na tayo.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, may result na po tayo, ma'am.
How many months to the 34 missing sabongeros?
Actually, ma'am, we could not consider
Disclose.
the number of months, ma'am. Kasi yung as of now, we only have about 29 samples from the relatives. So meaning to say, yung mga relatives itong 34 missing sabongero po ay 29 lang po nag-submit ng kanilang sample.
So that 34 missing sabongeros is now represented for purposes of DNA by 29 relatives
Yes po.
who have submitted their specimen.
Yes po. Yung,
Out of the 29 relatives, may nag-match na po ba?
so far, ma'am, wala pa pong nagmamatch.
But
Dun sa-
are there results already? From the
meron pa po tayong
163 human
ongoing, ma'am.
bones?
Meron pa po tayong ongoing.
No, please answer the question. May resulta na hubang lumabas out of the 163 human bones?
Yes po, ma'am. Nakakompleto na po tayo, ma'am, ng 45. Then, out of that, viable, yung, kumbaga, yung viable, ma'am, na pwedeng makunan ng DNA result. Yung 85 na po yun na viable is 45 po ang natapos. Then, mayroon pa po undergoing, ongoing, not 40.
Okay, dun po
Opo.
sa 45,
Yes, ma'am.
according to you, tapos na, may
Yes.
nag-match po ba with the 29 relatives
So
of
far,
the 34 missing sabongeros?
wala po, ma'am.
I wish to ask the DOJ. I remember, if there is no corpus, if there is no body, there is no crime of murder. Ito pa rin ho ba ang jurisprudence natin to this date?
Your Honor, may I allow the prosecutor Reyes to answer the question?
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I am Prosecution Attorney John Hal Reyes. For that answer, sa general rule, napag-aralan po natin sa law school na when it comes to the crimes of murder, it is really essential na kailangan ma-discover muna yung body ng victim.
So
Kasi
that is tantamount to saying, if from the 163 bones being examined for DNA, none will match with the 29 relatives, then no case of murder can be filed against your respondents. Do you agree?
With candor, I do not agree, Your Honor, considering that at present, hindi pa naman po tapos yung ating ongoing operation sa Taal Lake. In
No,
fact,
I am referring to the 163 bones.
okay,
Please base your answer on that.
as
Kung
far
doon
as,
sa 163, no? Walang mag-match doon sa 29 relatives. Yun lang 163 na yon. Is it correct to say that we cannot file a murder case out of that 163 bones?
with candor, I still maintain my answer, Your Honor, na posible pa rin po. Kasi po, although meron naman po kasi tayong ibang ebidensya, we can use other pieces of evidence to establish, halimbawa,
Like what?
for instance, a testimony of a witness who
Will the case of murder prosper with a plain testimony without corpus delicti?
as a general rule, as I
May
have
exception na ba sa general rule?
Your Honor, if you are going to base our answer on the results na hawak po ngayon ng PNP Forensic Group, sa ngayon, hindi pa po pwede. But hindi po ibig sabihin nun ay at all, hindi na talaga tayo makakapag-file ng case for murder. Because as I have mentioned, yung ating search and retrieval operation sa Taal Lake is still ongoing. In fact, if my recollection is correct, Commodore Tubilla made mention at this date, we are still
I understand, Prosecutor Reyes, but I am anchoring my question from the 163 human bones which were submitted already from the DNA test, no? And this is actually a question. Pwedeng sagutin ni Attorney Kalinisan. Nagbago na po ba ang jurisprudence? In the case of murder, can it prosper without the corpus delicti?
Your Honor, if I may, from what I know in the law, body of the crime or corpus delicti does not exactly or necessarily mean that is the body or a dead body. So, the body of the crime means yung pong kabuuan ng ebidensya. So, if you could prove murder by using not a body, using other methods, then that is acceptable, Your Honor. And in fact, there are jurisprudence wherein overwhelming circumstantial evidence can be used to convict a person in a criminal case. So that is allowed, and that has been decided by the Supreme Court in numerous cases, Your Honor.
In this case of missing Sabongero, I hope that there will be result favorable to the investigation. But in the event that there is none, Attorney Kalinisan, halimbawa, hypothetical lang, wala talagang mag-match dun sa human bone which were submitted for DNA testing, what evidence do you think can still support this case?
We can put weight dun po sa testimonial evidence of certain individuals, Your Honor. It's just a matter of appreciation. If we would give due weight dun po sa testimony po ng ating mga star witnesses, Your Honors.
I think with regards to that issue, I am encouraging lawyers to study this one. Kaya bang mag-prosper ng murder case without the body of the crime? By body, I am referring, of course, to the human remains. No? This is one case that the Philippine government is facing right now. Indeed, very sensational. But I do agree, this is a very challenging one. And I wish you all good luck. Sana, you will be able to establish the required amount of evidence to be able to seek justice for the family of these victims. Thank you.
Thank you, Congresswoman Luistro. Do we have any